Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to get Snap memories back after deleted using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat and click on your Bitmoji at the upper left corner of your screen. Click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. You want to scroll down until you see My Data. Okay, so let me just go ahead and find it right here. So once you've clicked on My Data, you just need to wait, okay? So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and scroll down. So if you want to include your memories as a downloadable file, just go ahead and toggle this switch on. And then now just go ahead and enter your email address right here. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on submit request, and after you've clicked on submit request, you just need to wait until Snapchat support will respond on your request. Okay, so once they respond on your request, you just need to click on the link and you can find all of your files in there, and just go ahead and download all the files that you want, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.